Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Miro with Claude AI in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Miro.com. Then simply sign up here with the help of your Google account, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in into it. Now, when you log in into your Miro account, you just have to open a new tab, then search for Claude.ai. After doing so, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the customize option in the left hand side, then click on the option of connect your apps. Now over here, you will be shown bunch of different applications that you can integrate with Claude. So among these, you just have to simply look for Miro. As you can see, Miro is available here. If you are not able to find it here in this list, you can just simply use the search bar on the top and then you can search for Miro. So when you are able to find it, simply click on the plus icon right next to it. Then you will be redirected on the authentication page. So if you have already signed up, you will be shown this authentication page. But if you haven't already signed up, you will first need to sign up or log in into your Miro account. So over here, you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of allow access, and this way you will be able to connect it. Thank you.